Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible right now on your display, and once that's the case, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. So just a click of these three buttons and it will capture a screenshot. When you do so, first time around, it will give you this kind of notification right here, pop-up one, letting you know that you can also capture a screenshot in a couple different ways. So we have the 3-finger swipe down, so you just kind of swipe down anywhere on your screen with 3 fingers, and this will capture your screenshot. Then we have the partial screenshot, so just you hold your finger and then you it just kind of like selects the area, and you can just drag diagonally to, as you can see, select part of the image. Next, we have partial screenshot. Same as before, 3-finger hold, and you start to swipe down instead of releasing it. And this just kind of does everything from, I guess, the point where your fingers were to however far down you pull them down. And last one will be the scrolling screenshot. This just pull down all the way, and it will begin the scrollable screenshot as long as the content that you're trying to capture has anything to scroll down on. And that's about it. Now, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application, which I'll open right now, and let me just close this up. Now, I am already in the screenshot folder, but I just kind of want to go from the top of it. So by default, you would be located in the Photos tab. So here we're gonna select all library, screenshots, and in here you'll find your screenshots along with also screen recordings. But here's the screenshot that I've captured just a moment ago. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.